I thought I recognized you, but then I
I
wasn't.
was just about to hit the Barnes & Noble.
What are you buying?
I used it.
Do you want to make a song?
Yeah, let's do something quick and then I gotta go.
What kind of music vibe are you feeling?
Something that hits my soul. Fun, funky, fresh.